happening right now. What a mess on the south side. Traffic moving at a crawl in South Kansas City after a big traffic accident. This near 435 in Holmes. Major Miles keeping us updated on this with SkyTracker above the scene. Major, this is going to take a while to clear up.
Yeah, it is. You can see the heavy damage with this semi into the concrete median divider. Not only damage to the truck, but damage to the median itself. And that's why the left lane is blocked coming at us there on the eastbound side of 435. They'll have to do some repairs to that, and we're seeing a little back up that direction. But, of course, the big mess with only that far right lane squeezing by, this 10-car pileup westbound on 435, still solid back into and through the triangle, spilling back onto westbound 470 and also backing up around the corner onto southbound 435. And you can see folks bailing out of 435. They're taking that 103rd Street exit. Need to get all the way over to Warnell, really, before you can get back on around this. That's a check of your time-saving traffic. I'm Major Miles.